Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is paycheck day and we are going to be stuffing $767 into our cash envelopes and also into our sinking funds like we do every single 2 weeks. Now, like I said, we're going to do $767. So we are going to go ahead and count this to make sure that that matches to what I am saying. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, and this is backwards, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, and 67. So that is $767 is how much we are going to be putting in. And I'm just going to really quickly lay all of these out. I hope y'all had a great 4th of July. I did. It was very relaxing. As you can see, all I did was film a video, a money challenge video for you guys. And then after that, I literally just hung out with Jared and his sister came over with my nephew. So that is pretty much what we did. I'm going to try to straighten these dollar bills out. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Cash envelopes. So first off is our groceries, and our groceries is going to be getting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 81, $100. And then gas is, we have $20 left over, so we're going to set that aside and we are going to be doing $140. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. So that is $140 that is going to be going towards gas. And then fun money, we have $2 left over. Now, if you follow me on TikTok, you would know that I am actually doing the No Spend July challenge from Star Budgets. This is the scratch off that I have been doing. So every time I spend money or I do not spend money, I'm either going to be scratching off the devil one, which I spent money, and then the angel one, which means that I did not spend money that day. So I've been doing this on my TikTok, and whatever money I have to save, I actually pull from my fund money. So that is where the majority of the money has been going to this past week. So I will leave my TikTok down below if you want to catch up on this super fun, money challenge. You can catch me over there. But we have $20, $21, and $22 left from our cash envelopes, and we are going to be putting this towards our Tuesday money challenge. Now for fun money, as always, I do go to yard sales and I like to break a $100 bill. So we are going to break that. And I think we're going to get it from our debt this time. I'm running out of options, but we're going to do debt, and I think we're going to do 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. I'm going to set that aside and put $100 in here. I'm going to go ahead and count this. I probably will break these 20s down just so I can have a little bit smaller bills for tomorrow, but we'll see. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So $100 is going to be going towards fun money. And that is it for our cash envelopes. Now moving on, we are going to be doing our sinking funds. Now our sinking funds, so first off, we are going to be adding to car maintenance, and I actually decreased the funds for this one. And this one, I believe, is only getting $20. I did not get my cheat sheet out. But yeah, so car maintenance is only going to be getting $10 actually. I have decreased this drastically. I will bump this up later on. but I'm not too worried about it right now because we do have money in our checking account or our savings account as well. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 55, and 56. So we have $756. So that is awesome for car maintenance. Now, medical, we are bumping this up. We are going to be putting $100 because Jared and I are starting the fertility journey. And right now we are at the very, very basic of the basics. We are getting blood work done. I am taking some medicine to restart my cycle. If that's some TMI, just fast forward to that after this. But we are doing the basic, doing blood work, office visits. I have a couple of other appointments that are going to be coming up. Jared has some blood work that he has to do. So we are going to be bumping this up because I think they ran my insurance and I believe some of the stuff will not be covered in it. So I need to bump this up so we can pay for like any kind of medicine or anything like that. Any copays, which our copays would be about $40. But yeah, so we're going to be bumping this up just because we do not want to take out any loan. We do not want to swipe our credit cards, anything like that. So that is the plan for right now. So we put $100 into medical and that gives us 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, and 20, 25, and 26. And once we get to $500, I will be putting this into savings as well. So that is 26, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $426. And I believe we have our next appointment at the end of July or beginning of August. But we'll see about that. Vacation is going to be getting $200. So that is going to be going towards our Disney trip. And I unstuffed this. If you are new, I unstuffed this on Tuesday and color in some of my fun Disney money challenges. Dobby is going to be getting $20. We just took Oliver to get his first round. I think it's like the third round of shots, but it's at a different clinic. So there was a lot of expenses that we had to pay. Like there is a $42 first time checkup, new puppy patient. So that was $42. So next week when he goes to the doctor's then to get his next round of shots, we won't have to pay the $42, but we'll still have to pay something. But I put $20 in, so we have 20, 25, and 26. Now we do have the pet emergency fund that I did just deposit the $500 to our bank. So if I have to move some money over to cover his shots, then I will. Moving on to Christmas. So Christmas will be getting $20 as always for every 2 weeks is how much it usually gets. And then special occasion, I already took out the $100 actually and deposit that, paid what I had to pay, and we are going to be putting $40 into special occasion. So we have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So $44 into special occasion. And then I believe I will be done with the first half in August, and then I have to save for a wedding in October. Home is actually not going to be getting anything, but we have $20 and $21 in home. Beauty is also not getting anything, but we have $10 in that. And then renewals is going to be getting $20. And I already got my statement in for my renewal of membership for the AST, and that is $80. So let's count how much we have total. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, and 21. So we have $221. So minus the 20, 40, 60, $80, I still have to pay for my tag renewal. So that's 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. I believe that's going to cover it, maybe another $20. And that will probably cover for my membership and also my tag renewal. But then also HOA is coming out as well. All right, so then last but not least, we have our side hustle, which is from eBay and Mercari. Every 2 weeks I do just pull out eBay, and then at the end of the month I pull out Mercari because it's just easier that way. So the past 2 weeks it has been a little rough. We only made $17, so 10, 15, 16, and 17. So $17 from eBay, and that is only because I have not been posting a lot lately on that, so I have not been having a lot of traffic. But I did get a sale yesterday that I have to pack up. I did get a sale from Mercari that I have to pack up. So we are going to still be good for the end of the month, and we'll see if where this money is going to go, because I did post on my community saying that probably pretty much all of this is going to go towards medical, but we'll see how much we get paid from our side hustle. So that is it, you guys. So we stuffed our sinking fund and also our cash envelopes. So that was always fun every 2 weeks to stuff some more money. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on, I believe, Tuesday for another money challenge. Bye, guys.